everyone, and welcome to another DIY. Today we're going to be creating these really cute jars. I thought they were so adorable. I just had to share them with you guys, and they will cost you pretty much no money if you already have some of the stuff laying around the house like I did. The little jars that you're going to need can be any kind of jar that you have on hand. I actually had some of the mason jars that you get from DollarTree with the candle in them, and that is what I used here, but you don't have to use that particular jar. You can just use any old candle jar or an old spaghetti jar. Anything that you have will work, and it doesn't have to be glass. It can be plastic. It will still look super cute. So you're going to need your jar, and you're also going to need any kind of paint that you have. You can use acrylic paint or spray paint. I actually spray painted mine, and it worked out really well. Then you're also going to need whatever little figures you want on top. I just have a pack of little animals. This one's cats and dogs. You can get like different zoo animals, dinosaurs, just whatever you like. And those came from Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to need some super glue or E6000 glue. I just got this super glue today and it works great. It's from Dollar Tree and it is just the super glue brand. So that's pretty much it. You just glue your little figure after you spray paint it and your lid, and you just glue it on top, and that's it. It's done. It is very simple. It's the most simple DIY, but it just looks so pretty, and you can put candy in them, you can put cotton swabs, different little things, and I'm just in love with these. I can't wait to add them to my bedroom. I think they're going to look super cute. Not sure what I'm going to put in them yet, but I think they're super cute. But anyways, guys, I wanted to share this DIY with you guys because it is so cheap and easy to make. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye, guys!